Good evening, guys. Right, so we've done 3 or 4 videos on this van, and only this is the video of everything that we've done today. So it's not for everyone else that wants specific information. So 2021 T6.1. This is the SH chassis, and we have done loads. Richard and I have been working on this all day, and we have done genuine factory front fog lights. I'm so tired I can't even talk. Genuine factory front fog light upgrade. We've done the genuine front optical parking sensor upgrade. At the back of the van we have done an aftermarket wedge camera. Now this isn't a tailgate model, this is the barn door model, and the barn doors are a bit of a pain in the backside. If you order this from factory, it'll probably be a central camera, which means that your view wouldn't even be dead center. So what we do is we take the grab bar off, we use one of our own cameras that we've got in stock, a little wedge camera. It's satin black to match the grab bar, and then the cabling gets routed to the front and extended, and that will come out onto the basic radio that you've got in there, or the navigation model, but check compatibility with us to make sure that your vehicle can handle it. Now, if we work our way to the front, this customer has had 2-stage sound deadening. So, in here, normally you'd get that. I'm sure you can hear that on the camera, but this is... So what Richard's done is the window gets held up with some gaffer tape, door card comes off, and inner door card with the window regulator comes off. Behind there we put our sound deadening, various makes and models that we use, but quality sound deadening goes in behind there, and then the window regulator goes back on, window gets fixed back up, and then Richard will sound deaden the whole of the door card where the speaker is mounted to. Now at the same time, the reason why we've done that is we've also fitted the Alpine Adventure audio setup, and that's the SPC 106 T6.1. Bit of a mouthful. Great little 6.5-inch component speakers, and they are really good quality. We can't get them in fast enough. We fit them, but we always say to customers, if you're not prepared to have sound deadening, at least stage 1, you won't get the rewards or the benefits of this setup. And it is really important that you spend that money and you'll get a quality sound afterwards. I mean, we all love Volkswagens, but even the trims around here, the plastic clips, so it can be a little bit flimsy, and if you turn up your favourite song, chances are it's going to vibrate, rattle or resonate as well. So, door card's gone back on. Now, if Richard can see, let's just jump in. Let's just move the customer's cup. So as part of the SPC 106 T6.1 Adventure sound, we strip out the old factory tweeters and put these awesome looking tweeter component sets in here, and these are little metal die cast little trims that get put in there, clipped in, and they look really good, really nice sounding once it's been set up, really worth the money. Now you can't see it, so you have to take my word for it. This seat's been out today. Richard underneath here has fitted the Alpine 8-inch subwoofer under seat sub with built-in DSP, digital signal processing amplifier. It then gets connected to the factory head unit. There's 2 versions, and we set it up for the type of vehicle. So we're in a T6.1 closed cab, got a bulkhead, we've set it all up, we've fine-tuned it, and it sounds awesome. So if you're having sub under your seat with an amplifier that's fine-tuning, cleaning all the audio, you've got your component speakers in the door and on your tweeter with your sound deadening, and all through the factory head unit, for the money you can't get better. Unless you want to start fitting big subs and amps and everything else, waste of time. This is a great bit of kit, and we love working with Alpine on here as well. So also what we've done for this vehicle, for this customer, and that's why we've been busy all day doing this, is we've done the door card lighting. So this is the, let me just put the key in, because otherwise it's going to beep away, because we've got the key. Right. We have done a VW feature and function, which is the ambient mood lighting for the door card. So you get LED in the top, LED in the bottom, blue Footwell lighting in there, and this customer has also had the VW logo puddle lights, and I will quickly go and turn the lights off just because of the fact that it's really, really cool. Because normally, and we've done loads of these before, we do the blue LED upgrades for this. There are other colours, but you need to get in contact with us because they're aftermarket, not VW part number. And the T6.1 natively does not do puddle lights, whether it be in the wing mirror or the door card. This has been completely bespoke for us today to do this, cut the holes in and wire it into the comfort circuit. So bear with me 1 second, I'll turn the lights off. Now, you get what you pay for. There's plenty of these online, but this is nice, clean and crisp, and if you can see it through the camera, you've got the blue VW logo on a black ring, and looks awesome. Looks really, really good for the money. Obviously, we've put them in a certain position in the middle of the door card, and looks great. If you want a vehicle and you drive it, if you've got a vehicle and you drive it at night, don't put up with the boring lighting that you've got in there. You can transform it and have a really nice illuminated cockpit whilst you're driving. Right, I won't bother turning the lights back on, but you get the gist of what we do here at Advanced In Car. We take a great deal of pride, care, and we love doing this because we enjoy watching the customers after we've done the work, and we enjoy handing over. It gives us that sense of satisfaction. So if you want your vehicle worked on, we're down in Dorset. Come and see us. You need to get in the queue. We're pretty busy, but also don't forget to subscribe to our YouTube channel. It's how we get our bespoke work out to you guys to watch. So the website is www.advanced-incar.co.uk. Tell your friends, tell your family. Don't forget to subscribe. Thanks for watching.